Hey gang, welcome back to another video. So this one we are basically just going to be doing all sorts of random stuff. So it's a bit of a spur of the moment video. Currently waiting for Glamorous Assistant to turn up. We're off to Silver Lake to go and snag a few bits and pieces. That's a local scrapyard if you don't know of it, or if you're not local. It's one of the few scrapyards locally to where I am in Portsmouth where you can actually go to a yard, turn up, take bits off. You might have seen it on some other YouTube channels. Been going there for years, so it's a real good source of bits. It's getting hard to find older stuff like E39s, E36 and stuff, but occasionally stuff's in there, so we're going to head to there in a moment. I'll show you what else I've been up to. For the touring, if you saw the last video, that's all now sorted. All of the stuff has been treated. All the interiors back together. If I can show you. All the interiors back together. These bits you can't see because there's a trim that goes over there, but there was a bit of surface rust lingering, so I've just dealt with that. There was a nice hole here, so that's been welded up. So that's great. As I say, interior's back together, and then I'm just working on the roof. Before I rewrap it, there's some areas that there was a bit of lack of peel or there was a dent, so I'm just working my way through. Made a start on this yesterday. So yeah, just a few bits to finish off. So that's the job for later today. Before we head off to Silver Lake this morning, we've got to get some cavity wax into the sills. So that is going to be denitrile. I can't remember what the product code is, but for those of you wondering, oh there you go, denitrile 1000. So yeah, we're going to smash that into the cavities using the gun. Sounds like Mr. Handy's just turned up. So yeah, we've got to load some tools up, quickly smash this into the sills, and then we can bugger off and go and get some bits from Silver Lake. So you'll see us in a moment. We had a slight explosion.
Why are we out of wax, Steve?
Well, I tried to be ingenious and it went wrong. So I tried to use the brake hose as a cable to put in there, or like a hose to get the wax. Well, it doesn't work, and basically off camera it just went everywhere outside. So there goes 15 quid.
Do you want me to turn it?
No, it's fine. It's already ruined.
My county wax is ruined.
Oh, disaster.
Absolute disaster.
This is why you always buy two kids. Oh, I can't even get that off my hands, that waxing. It looks like there's ball semen everywhere.
It actually does. It is literally everywhere.
That's the cavity wax done. Easy peasy. And there's the, looks like ball semen outside my unit. Because it just went everywhere, including my hands. It does look like ball semen, doesn't it? So yeah, if anyone turns up here later, there's going to be some questions asked. Anyway, on that note, yeah, it's probably...
It's not bad actually. No.
It might dry out. At least the floor won't rust.
No, the floor will definitely rust.
Yeah. Right, on that note, let's get out of here. We're off to Silver Lake now. Right, we've been to Silver Lake, got some goodies. I'm going to show you them in a minute. We got some subframes and some bits and pieces. Mainly for stock, and a couple little bits, little upgradey bits, so I'll show you some of those. Mr. Hanley's in the driver's seat. We're both absolutely fucked, to be honest with you. It's now 12:30 and we left for Silver Lake at like 9, so we've had a good 3 hours of wrenching crap. Anyway, I thought I'd show you. We've gone to a cheeky little bakery. Nearly crashed. So we have a chicken and bacon with barbecue sauce, or pretty crappy option, the egg mayo salad. So pick your evil. Pick your poison even.
I'm going to roll the dice.
No, you can have the barbecue one.
I don't mind, whichever.
You can have the barbecue one.
I'm quite happy with the egg one.
Oh my god, we're going on the rally route.
Whichever one's not.
So we're going for that. We got the Oasis, and to top it off, cheeky little treat.
What I'm more excited about, what's this?
Look at this bad boy.
What's in it?
Size of that.
Oh,
Cream slice.
yes, that looks amazing.
Oh yeah, I'm going to to smash this down and then get back to the unit. Got some subframes to build up and finish prepping the touring roof. Right, back at the unit now. So we've just unloaded. Show you some of the clobber I bought. So it's good fun going to a scrapyard in the UK. There's not many of them left. A pair of Z3 arms. They'll be stripped, powder coated and made to look all pretty, but they're lovely and solid. They do like to rot out, so it's quite hard to find them these days. We've also managed to acquire cross brace, lovely solid one, pair of drive shafts, as well as a few other bits and pieces, such as pink injectors, cam sensor, a few other goodies. So nothing overly exciting, but fairly productive morning. So that's great. Anyway, now what we need to do is get I'm going to put the wing back on the touring and the side skirt, because that's all done. Obviously the cavity wax has dried off. The ball sperm is still there, unfortunately, so at least that's not going to rot, I guess. But yeah, we get this wing slapped on along with the side skirt, and then it's just a roof prep to deal with. Well, that's the wing mostly on. A little bit of tweaking needed. Tighten down the bonnet and yeah, but the line there is pretty good, so just a little bit of tweaking to do, and then that's pucker. Then we put the side skirt on. Glamorous assistant has been hard at it, hard at work.
That's really hot.
Drinking coffees. He has been busy building up one of the training arms for one of our customers. Here's one we made earlier. So new Powerflex bushes, ball joints top and bottom, new bearings, and new backing plate for the disc, and obviously a nice bit of powder coat there. So yeah, nice bit of kit that.
We've recently been getting the hubs blasted because we used to clean them off in a wire wheel. They look quite nice and shiny, but they weren't quite.
They're not the business. These look,
no, but
these
now
look good.
they look pretty decent, don't they?
Yeah.
Here's one. Here's one we blasted earlier.
Yeah.
That looks literally like a brand new part, doesn't it?
Yes. So very good, very nice and clean. We've also got the diff carrier and all the other bits and pieces. That's what they look like at the beginning.
I bet you can't guess which BMW that's off of.
E36.
It is indeed, yeah.
Yeah. And there's a diff carrier, all new bushes in there, spring perches and toe brackets and all the good stuff. So this is going up to a guy in Scotland. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these, obviously you've seen us install them, give us a holler, we can sort you out with one. Whether you just want black, silver, whatever you want, we can sort out. But yeah, so that's coming along nicely. So a few final tweaks on the old wing, and then the wing's back on. The car needs a bloody good clean, but we won't worry about it at the moment. And then we can get the side skirt slapped on, and then just this prep on the roof to finish up. Nice. So the wing all sorted. I've just been doing some minor modifications to my side skirt because I have these lovely side skirt extensions, but they got a bit, I used double-sided tape and they didn't stay on there very well. So what I've done is I've used some screws, screwed it along so it's got a proper mechanical fixing, and then obviously because the screws will probably touch the sill of the car, I've then just cut the heads off, or cut the threaded part of the screw off, so nice and flush, so that can now go back onto the vehicle. And there we go, there's the side skirt on. She needs a bloody good wash, but feels good to be back at this position. Lovely and solid. And then there's our jacking point, looking good. Lovely job, and there we go. Skirt's all back on, and she's down on the ground. So that's mint. We just got to smash through this roof prep now. I'll be working on that through the week, just getting all of this looking pucker. It doesn't need to be perfect. We're not painting it, we're going to wrap it, but it needs to be smooth to the touch. So basically those other bits have got to look like that, and then just a full quick flat over the whole roof just to pick up any swarf or anything that's lingering around on it, and then a full clean, and then we can get the panel prepped, cleaned, ready to wrap. So making some nice progress, so it's pretty good. Anyway, we've got a track day coming up on the about the 7th of October, so we need to get the Z3 ready. So I don't think I've shown you that, but it's a cheap toy, so I might do an intro video on that soon. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. It's only a short one and something a bit different, but yeah, This is just a normal Saturday in my busy schedule. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the adventures, and I'll see you in another one. Peace.